Paulownia, secret weapon against eucalyptus, legacy of depletion. We planted the wrong tree. For 50 years, eucalyptus promised fast timber, but delivered scorched earth. Here's the climate solution hiding in plain sight. While governments promote eucalyptus as fast-growing, smart foresters discover the truth. It's a water vampire that drains rivers and exhausts soil in 8 to 10 years. Here's what the timber industry won't tell you. There's a 1,000-year-old tree from Asia that grows 7 to 8 feet per year, needs 90% less water, and actually restores soil instead of destroying it. It's called Paulownia, and it's about to replace eucalyptus worldwide. The science is undeniable. Eucalyptus roots stay shallow, sucking surface water. Paulownia roots go deep, preventing erosion and accessing groundwater without depleting it. Eucalyptus leaves poison soil. Paulownia leaves enrich it. In America, Paulownia lumber sells for $300 to $400 per cubic meter. It's lighter than eucalyptus, but stronger. No knots, perfect grain, harvest in 5 years instead of 10. Pakistan is already switching. 200 to 600 rupees per sapling, billions in potential revenue. Transform your tree selection program, Forestry, into a compelling story about correcting a massive global mistake that's been destroying ecosystems to a superior solution with Paulownia. Stop planting the desert maker, start growing the soil restorer. The future of sustainable forestry is here at Bioeconomy Solutions. We're happy to organize a time to speak with you about this solution. Book a private consultation call time to speak directly at bioeconomysolutions.com.